This story is about a young boy, Alec, who was sailing home to America after visiting his uncle who lived in India. The name of the ship was the Drac, which stopped at a port, and a group of men dragged a beautiful, magnificent black stallion on the boat. Alec was fascinated by this animal and, and started leaving a feast of sugar at its place, which is called here stall, every night. One night, a terrible disaster struck the ship. So, students, I guess you have enjoyed this video and you have already guessed what we are going to study today. Welcome back once again in my English videos, and today we are going to continue with paragraph number 8. Till paragraph number 7, we saw that the second lifeboat was completely filled and Alec waited for his turn. But when it came, the boat had already reached its quota, means the number of people or the limitation of the people were already completed in that boat. Now, Captain Watson said him in a very harsh tone that wait for the next one, and he put his arm on the boy's shoulder. Just then, Alec thought about the black, about that horse, that what was happening to him. Is he alive or not? So he fought his way out of the line and turned toward the ending of the boat. If the stallion was alive, he was going to set him free because he wanted to give him a chance to fight for his life. The stall was still standing, and Alec heard a shrill whistle rise above the storm, as if that horse was waiting for someone to come and save him from dying. So, for a second, the mighty hoofs stopped pounding and there was a silence. Alec backed away slowly. And then he saw that the black, his head held high, his nostrils blow out with excitement as if he started snorting and plunging straight to the rail. And the part of the ship was broken at this point, leaving nothing between them. Only the open sea and some part of the ship was remaining. The black shivered as he came near Alec, and the boy realized that the stallion was making for the hole, means he was trying to escape from there. And the horse's shoulder grazed Alec, means in here he touched the shoulder of Alec slightly, and then after he went to jump into the ocean, into the sea. When he came up, he heard an explosion, and he saw that the drag settling into the water, means when that horse jumped into the ocean, Even Alec also jumped after that horse. He saw that there was a great explosion and the ship, the drag, was settling into the water, means it was going slowly down into the ocean, into the water. And frankly, he looked around for the lifeboat, but there was not a single lifeboat in the sight. Then he saw that the horse, the black, was swimming not more than 10 yards away. So he just floated by him, and a rope which was attached to that black's halter got caught by this boy. And that was the same rope that he had used to bring the stallion abroad, and which he had never been able to get close enough. So without stopping to think, means he took a very quick action, and Alec grabbed that rope and he pulled through the water into the upcoming waves. He was too tired now to think about what he had done, because at that point of time he was not able to think anything except just saving his own life and the stallion. He only knew that he had the choice of remaining in the water alone or being pulled by the black. So he decided that if he was to die, he would rather die with that mighty stallion than alone. And with this thought, he just grabbed that rope which was tied in that horse's neck, and he started flowing. He started swimming in the same direction where that horse was taking him. And took the last glance, he saw that the drag completely sink into the sea. In this picture also, Alec is holding that rope which was tied in the horse's neck, and behind Alec that ship was completely sinking in the sea. So at that time his only thought was to just save his and stallion's life, and he also thought that rather he would rather like to die with this stallion than alone. So at that time, at that point of moment, it was the right thing which he had done, and he was just flowing with the upcoming waves of the sea. So here we can see that how smartly or how quickly that Alec had took the decision to jump into the ocean with Stellan, and he hold the rope. Now in the next paragraph, we will see that how Stalin helped this boy to escape and survive his life. Okay, but before that, here are some keywords of these paragraphs. The first word is here stern, which means the back of a ship or the boat. Then shivered, which means turned suddenly. Grazed, touched lightly. The next word here is the deep, which is the another word used for sea or ocean. And the last word is settling into the water, means the ship was going sinking. That's why Alec jumped into the water, right? Now we will continue this story in the next video.